Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. This is Dave Salvador, and today I will be answering a quick quiz on outsourcing. First question: which sourcing model use providers in the same country? The answer is this would be a domestic sourcing model where the vendors or service providers are within the same country as the client. Second question: what document is sent to vendors requesting detailed proposals? The answer is this document is called a request for proposal or RFP. It outlines the client requirements and asks vendors to submit proposals. Third question: name two key elements that must be defined in an outsourcing contract. The answer is service level agreement or SLA, define performance metrics and expectations. Second is deliverables, specifies what will be delivered including timelines and quality standards. Fourth question: what criterion assesses a vendor's ability to grow with client needs? The answer is the correct criterion is scalability, which refers to the vendor's ability to expand or adjust their services as the client's business grows. Last question: true or false? Outsourcing is primarily about replacing organizational strategy. The answer is false. Outsourcing is about improving efficiency and gaining specialized expertise, not replacing the overall strategy. Thank you.